4x7 hoop, 2 layers of wash away stabiliser, matching bobbin and threads, my squizzers, masking tape and my fabric and batting cut to size. Start off by hooping your 2 layers of wash away stabiliser. So place it down over the frame, place the inner frame on top, and I like to pin around the edge of my hoop so that it holds my stabiliser nice and taut. So take your pin, rest it on the inner frame, push it through and then bring it back round. And you're going to do that on all sides. The larger the hoop you've got, the more pins you would put around the edge. Load your file into your machine and then you're going to stitch round number 1, which is going to give you your placement outline for your batting. Place your batting over the outline and then tape it in place. Pop your hoop back into your machine and stitch round number 2 to secure it, and that's also going to give you your fabric placement outlines as well. Trim away the excess batting from around the edge of the pineapple. Turn your hoop over and place your backing fabric for the pineapple over the outline. And tape it in place. Turn your hoop back. Now place the front fabric over the front and tape it in place. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 3, and that's going to secure both fabrics. We're now going to trim up the excess fabric from where the 2 fabrics are going to join up. So starting with the back, this is a slightly different method to the instructions, but just to show you that, there are different ways of doing it. Now we're going to do the same on the front. Turn your hoop back and place your backing fabric for the top of the pineapple over the outline and tape it in place. Turn your hoop over, and now we're going to do exactly the same on the front. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 4 to secure them. We're now going to trim away the excess fabric from both the front and back of the hoop, and I start with the back, the simple reason being it's easy to forget it if you don't. So turn your hoop over and trim away. You're now going to pop your hoop back into your machine and stitch around number 5, and that's going to zigzag all around the raw edges of the pineapple. Change your matching bobbin and thread for the leaves into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 6. Change your matching bobbin and thread for the body of the pineapple into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 7. You're now going to free your pineapple from the hoop, so turn your hoop over and cut around the edge of the stitch line, taking care not to cut the stitching. We're now going to clean away the excess stabiliser from around the edge, so take a cotton bud and some warm water, dip your cotton bud in and run it round the edge of your pineapple. And that's our pineapple complete. I hope you enjoyed this stitch along. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new stitch alongs as they're published. Do pop along to Kreative Kiwi's Facebook group. There's lots of ideas, help and inspiration there for everybody. You'll find a link to this design underneath in the video description, along with lots of other useful information for you. So please do take the time to read it. Thank you very much for joining me.